people waste water every day, leaving taps open, using more water than needed. If we do not save water today, we will face serious water shortages in the future. Many people around the world already suffer due to lack of clean drinking water. It is our responsibility to use water wisely. We can save water by turning off taps when not in use, fixing leaking pipes, taking shorter baths, and reusing water for plants. Small steps taken by each of us can make a big difference. Let us promise to save water and protect our future. Save water, save life. Today I am here to speak on the topic Save Water. Water is one of the most precious gifts of nature. All living beings need water to survive. Without water, there would be no life on earth. All through about 70% of the earth is covered with water. Only a very small amount of it is fresh and usable.